Noun gender. Living beings are either male or female. These are called genders. Noun genders are of two types. Masculine gender. Male are of masculine gender. Feminine gender. Female are of feminine gender. Masculine gender. Boy. Feminine gender. Girl. Brother. Sister. Father. Mother. Uncle. Aunt. Husband. Wife. Man. Woman. Nephew. Niece. Son. Daughter. King. Queen. Formation of feminine gender noun by adding syllable ess and ine. Like waiter, waitress, poet, poetess, priest, priestess, lion, lioness, steward, stewardess.